Please don't start naming.
I was.
What you do for work, boo? You ain't got no damn job, Tommy. Oh, yeah. I forget. Okay. You do got a job.
Girl. You know what? That would have been a good joke.
No, but it really was one on your forehead.
I see it. I didn't even feel it move. Oh my god.
Okay, y'all. What's the?
What happened to the music?
I almost just died. I almost just died. Okay, what?
Mama just died.
Yeah, I just tried to do shot. I almost do it.
What's the song? Thinking of
No, what happened to
a
that
fruit.
song?
Okay, look.
Alright, I'm about to get off this shit. Y'all are not talking.
Make that ass slut, but I guess they're saying that song. What is it? No, she played it.
Is it Monday?
No, like
Yeah.
Happy Monday. Happy fucking Monday.
What do they say? Like, what are they saying?
Who was requesting?
Somebody going right. Whatever these are, I don't like them. Little bugs. Yeah, the little beetle things. They're so rude.
But I can tell you this, my mosquito bite not that bad. It's actually going away and it didn't really itch
Look,
so
no,
much.
this one. Look at this.
Does it itch?
Yeah, I just got bit.
Man, not itch.
Maybe because you just got in the shower too, so maybe like that
yeah.
kind of.
Oh my God. I'm a bad bitch getter. Hellcat
We're in
whipper.
Turks and cakes.
No, we not.
No, I'm just joking. We're in Mexico. I'm lying like shit. We're actually in Barbados. Hey, we are in Barbados. Look at this here. Look how pretty it is.
No, I said something to her too. We were on the beach. She was saying something. I was like, oh my god, what?
It was one of those little bugs.
Them bugs that keep biting me. I just got in the shower for nothing.
Where's the music though? Cause
The music broke. They broke it. They broke the music. Now what do we do?
now what happens? I'm about to end this shit and then go back on it.
But what is that? That's a person? Look at the water. That's a person? That's a person. Bitch. Do what?
Yeah,
We are doing that. Ain't no want to. It's gonna get done.
She said it. Oh, yeah. That's what the one girl was saying. I don't know her name.
It was a bug. Why do they like biting me? You too, though.
I know.
I like the smiley face.
Thank you. I want some more. No, but I want to because my homegirl, she said she tried to do it and she didn't like none of her pictures. Like none of her pictures came out good. And it was like really fast. Yeah, because she was like, they were like really bad.
I'm sure they probably just think you want to.
Yeah, it's like you have to like do them real quick, like to take it.
Fuck this shit. I'm not everything.
Take a shot.
You know what, young boy? I think you just don't get paid on the front side. No, I don't think we should play young boy anyway. What you want to play? We might have both of us hit. So wait a What's the name of that? That song? That's Thug and Drake. Thug and Drake. It's not Parade. It's another one. Give it to me. Let me help you. Let me help you.
I gotta sign into a whole Spotify shit now.
What's up, you guys? Talk to me.
That's their problem.
My
Right?
phone.
Yeah, come on.
I got my shades on. I ain't even
It's going back up.
I hate people.
What's really good, you
This
guys?
bitch put mad shit in my mouth.
Look,
That's
they
what
be
he said.
dragging this.
What?
This.
Melissa, how many people is it now?
924.
Damn.
That shit jumping.
Fucking son. Look at that bitch. My ass look good back there.
Be at 1,000. What you about to do?
We can twerk. If we get to 1,000, we'll twerk for y'all. But we know real good twerking song.
They finna start acting the fuck out of people.
Yeah. Get to 1,000, we start twerking. All of us too. Erica ass, Ashlyn. We all gonna twerk for them if we get to 1,000.
And get to 1,000. Shit alive. Let's shit alive, you guys.
All of us.
She said, I'll shake some titties for you.
I can twerk for like 3 seconds, then I just lose
So go ahead. Share it now.
They don't want to see y'all twerk.
Remember Jessica though? Jessica, white girl, flattest ass, like. We on live, Gap.
It's a lot of Jessicas.
What if Jessica is so obsessed with us that she is on her page?
Yeah, then hello, Jessica.
Hi, Jessica. She was white. She had the really flat butt. But let me tell you though, because I'm following up with the compliment. That's why I said it. But she got her ass shots for me.
Oh, we should. He said put our lives together. I don't know how to do that. And somebody said she looks
You
so
put
familiar.
your line together with her. You gotta.
Who said I look familiar? Let me see you do this hold on me.
Was that the one?
Girl, you don't know me. I don't look that fucking familiar. Playing games.
Can you do that though?
I don't know. You can request man.
Oh, okay, yeah. And then I can mute it so it won't like hit.
Thank you.
This damn fucking. It's not even sand here though. Like it's like.
First of all, I'm half white. It's probably blonde.
No. It's literally
Why the fuck are
bullshit.
you
The
so
fucking white ass shit.